Good morning. Happy, this should say Wednesday. I'm losing it. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Let's get started. So, whenever you see one of these colored boxes, it means that you are to complete an activity. So, we're going to continue with poetry analysis today. So, you're going to read the following poem, or the poem in the following slide in chunks. Same poem as yesterday. In this poem, the speaker describes the experiences of Sylvia Mendez, an important civil rights activist of Mexican Puerto Rican heritage. Mendez played an important role in the desegregation of schools in California, meaning that white and Mexican American students were no longer forced to go to separate schools based on their race. All right. So again, it's the same poem as yesterday. I'm going to read it out loud to you, and every time I read a chunk, you are going to summarize it in the box. So Sylvia pushed the child by J. Patrick Lewis. Sylvia pushed into the wind, Septembering the trees, and hurtled over a railroad track to a two-room shack that never read Browns only. It did not have to. Okay, so again, summarize the chunk in the box here. Under the billion-acre sky, she wondered, did white girls at 17th Street Elementary really wear rainbow necklaces? Again, summarize the chunk right here. Aunt Sally took her there once, eyes sharp as ice picks, pierced the window panes as if seeing a Mexican for the first time. Every door was locked with a secret combination of frowns. Again, summarize the chunk right here. What is happening in this part of the poem? And then finally, how can anyone ever get in? Sylvia asked. Someone must know. Who has the right key? She looked up at her mother. Maybe me. Again, summarize the chunk right here. So after you summarize everything, I'm going to ask, after reading for the second time, what do you think the overall theme of the poem is? So what is the theme or the message that the author is trying to convey? So you're going to use the following sentence starters. The message that J. Patrick Lewis is trying to convey in the poem The Child is, and then you're going to type right in the spot. Okay? I know this because, and then you're going to explain to me how you know that that's what the theme of the poem is. That is it for today. Attendance, please. Live questions, please. And I'll see you tomorrow.